I want to talk about some big stuff with Shiba Inu that's going on right now that I really think could affect the coin's price very soon. Make sure to watch to the very end of this video so you don't miss any of my Shiba Inu coin analysis so you can know exactly when this coin could pump. And if you guys want to pick up a free stock with Public, check out our link down in the description below. It's a great social investing network that you guys can join up and be a part with, where you can see what other people are investing and what they're talking about in the stock market. And they're recently or going to be soon adding crypto. So if that sounds interesting, click the link down in the description below. Make sure to let us know down in the comments below how many Shib tokens you guys are holding. We'd love to see how strong the Shiba Inu army is. We've done this every video and it's been amazing to see the amount of support that we've gotten from doing this. So let us know down in the comments below how many Shib tokens you guys are holding. The Shiba Inu army is incredibly strong and it's amazing to see what you guys can do. Alrighty guys, another day of Shiba Inu trading, and of course we have news, technical analysis, and a variety of things I want to cover in this video today. A lot of big stuff. Let's talk about the price, because I think that's something obviously that yesterday a lot of people were worried about. We covered Shiba Inu just a little bit ago, talking about how Shiba Inu was down just about 10 to about 11% yesterday. Again, it wasn't beautiful, it wasn't great, but I would happily like to report that since then we have held. We have held at these levels and we are still trading relatively in this range and still doing quite well. We're even up just about 2 to almost 3% here on the day. That's the one day chart, keeping in mind. But again, guys, we're at the 2899 level, very close back to that 3 level that we were at just about 2 days ago, which obviously was a very nice thing to see overall for Shiba Inu. Whoa, that was weird. It just changed all of a sudden. That was really strange. But anyways, Shiba Inu still is moving very strongly. We're gonna get into some technical analysis here in a little bit. We also have this article here, which I don't know, I'm not really super digging on it. I'm gonna read it anyways, of course, and give my opinion and analysis on it. And of course, I'm gonna kind of explain why I pretty much disagree with it and why I don't think it's necessarily right. But again, guys, there's a lot going on in the crypto markets right now. Yesterday, pretty much every single altcoin was down. If we go to rankings today and we just go look and take a look at the overall market, it's pretty 50-50, right? Yesterday, altcoins are really bleeding really bad. Today, it's kind of 50-50, right? We have a few coins that are doing well, a few coins that are doing all right. But if we look at Shiba Inu, it's number 17 as far as market cap is concerned, and we are actually up today. We're still up about 26% on the week, up just about 1.98%. We're dumping a little bit here as this video is going on, but we'll explain some more technical analysis here in the later part of the video. But let's get into the news, right? The actual news with Shiba Inu. So here we have the article, Shiba Inu price to dip 26%, allowing investors to buy Shib at a discount. So here are the highlights. Shiba Inu price looks to be forming a rising wedge pattern, hinting at an incoming correction. A breakdown of the lower trend line will likely lead to a 13% correction. In some cases, Shib might head to creating a bottom reversal pattern. Okay, let's read a little bit why they think this. Again, I really disagree with this and I'll get into why, but let's read the article first and kind of get their points. Shiba Inu price looks ripe for harvesting. Shiba Inu price has been on fire, especially after an eye-popping 392% upswing between October 1st and October 2nd or 7th. Since hitting a local top at a 3528, Shib has entered a consolidation that set up a swing low on 2186 on October 8th. Including this point, Shib has created 3 higher lows and 2 higher highs. Connecting these swing points using trend lines reveals the formation of a rising wedge. This technical formation forecasts a 26% downside. 26% downside, determined by adding the distance between the first swing high and the swing low to the breakout point. While this might not seem like a steep correction, the support floor will be a significant barrier. There are chances for Shib to bounce off this level and mitigate the losses, but if selling pressure continues to increase, a revisit of 2186 is likely. Ooh, okay. So that's pretty much the most of the article. They have a video too, kind of outlining it. We're not going to watch that obviously though, but here is this rising wedge pattern that they're talking about, and basically stating that if Shib does continue to fill out that wedge, that we could see a correction. Now, here's the great part, right? This article was written, what, about 6 hours ago? If we look on TradingView here, so let's see if I can draw the lines. Here we go. All right, let's draw the lines. So here is, and these are gonna be really rough lines, guys. Here is the first line. So don't grill me if the lines aren't absolutely perfect here. I believe that's kind of similar to what they drew. Oh, wait, sorry, my bad. Yeah, they're drawing it from that level right there. So let's move this first point here. As you can see, this has already broken out of that pattern, therefore, in my opinion, making this whole article invalid. Because here's the thing, guys, and this, I've been saying this every video, and I'm proven right easily, obviously, right, with this. If you look at Shiba Inu and the way that it's moving, compared to the last rally that we had, look, 6 months ago, right? This is what we're looking at. It's different. It's fundamentally different what is happening right now with this rally. This rally, the first one I'm referring to back in May, was short and sweet, right? Huge pump to the upside, all-time highs easily. And then pretty much a day or two after, dumps, right? Absolutely dumps to the downside. And then just really has been doing that for the last couple of months, and it's been pretty relevant, right? Now we're seeing all-time highs at these levels, right? And look at this. Look how long this whole rally and pattern has been going on for, guys. Look at how much just consolidation and just overall, just the way it's holding at these levels. It's fundamentally different, in my opinion, than anything we have seen before, guys. And again, even though FX Trade is claiming there's gonna be a 26% downside with that technical analysis, again, I said in my last video, I'm not surprised after, because we had yesterday where we had that dump. Here's the red candles right there in that little area. And now I said, if we consolidate after this, I'm still gonna be bullish on Shiba Inu. I'm expecting a consolidation. I'm expecting us to still hold to these levels because there's still enough buying pressure and volume in general for this coin to still be able to do well. And just like I said in the video, as you can see, we are just starting to consolidate here and move very nicely in this pattern, guys. Again, this is what I called in the other video. This is why you need to subscribe, because you don't want to miss any of the videos that we upload, guys. They're very, very crucial to understanding what's going on with Shiba Inu. But again, guys, this is what we're looking at right now. And again, I'm still bullish, right? Look, we're consolidating. As long as we don't break below either the lower lows that we saw here or those other support levels that we were at previously, I'm still going to be bullish until there is a massive dump like this. This would have concerned me if I was watching it while making a video, right? If I saw this during one of our reporting days, I would probably be a little concerned. But again, I would probably expect, because volume is higher, because there are still plenty of people who are going to buy the dip right here, again, there's still potential for this coin to do well. And in my opinion, I think this FX Street article really is just not accurate in this case and really did not come to fruition like they hoped it would. So now we're kind of consolidating here. We're doing well, right? And then overall, guys, if you look at the RSI, let's go to the 6 month. I like using the RSI to plan my entries into, you know, these larger kind of riskier cryptos, just because typically I'm gonna, you know, dump like 100 to 200 bucks in them, kind of as a lottery ticket type play. If they go crazy to the upside, as you can see here, the RSI is still right in about the middle here. So we're not really oversold and not really overbought and oversold really, which typically I don't like to buy at those levels. Now, if the RSI was way lower, like for instance, when it dumped right here, I probably would have done some buying right about here, or even if it goes lower, obviously down in these kind of areas. But again, guys, overall, I just want to kind of wrap up and my thoughts basically about what does this mean? Is the, you know, like, are we still potentially going to go higher than those previous all-time highs? And the most simple answer I can give to you is not really a concrete one, unfortunately. It's we will have to see. And I know you may think, oh, well, that's stupid. Like, what a cop out, you know, like, go, you know, who cares, you know? The reason I say that we'll have to see is because, again, guys, these all-time highs, resistance points are hard to break. I think there are two things that are required in order to break through these previous all-time highs, to see new all-time highs. And I think those things are, one, we need to see a trend, a challenge, some kind of new social, you know, kind of thing that pushes forward Shiba Inu into the spotlight, whether that's a TikTok challenge or a trend or something where people are starting to not only talk about Shiba Inu, but buy into it, right? We all know that buying pressure sends these coins through the moon, right? It sends them skyrocketing. So if every person, like they did with Dogecoin, starts hopping onto Shiba Inu, I think we have a lot of potential upside that we could see. And then the second thing I want to talk about too, is just if it's good technicals, right? And right now, I think the technicals are unfortunately a little murky, right? Like we saw there, it really kind of didn't care about this whole rising wedge pattern that FX Street was trying to talk about. So these technicals are kind of murky right now. They're kind of difficult to really kind of tell where they're going for sure. So really, guys, we're just going to keep a close eye on it, right? We're making videos every day. We're making like 3 or 4 videos every single day about this. So we're trying to keep you guys up to date as much as possible, and make sure that you guys are aware of what's going on. So make sure to subscribe, guys. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it today for Shiba Inu. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. If you guys want to pick up a free stock with Public, check out our link down in the description below. It's a great social investing network app that allows you to see what your friends, family members, and even celebrities are buying and selling, and of course talking about in the stock market. They're also going to be adding crypto very soon to the platform. So if that sounds like something that's interesting to you guys, click the link down in the description below. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. Make sure to subscribe. But other than that, That's all I have. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.